Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you're a beverage distributor, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. Super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, Beverage Distributor. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select the templates. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our company so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my business name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and creates a simple website for us. And look at us. Look at that. It's already done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at the website together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some wonderful images of all the beverages you are stocking and selling, and you want to display all of them on your website. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how to make some amendments to each section, making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to head to the top, scroll very fast, and click on update section over here. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure I tick this box off to display my email address on my website. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my address. Great. Our phone number is displayed at the top right hand corner as well as the bottom, and it's clicked to call, by the way. Our physical location, our address, when our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Awesome. Let's move along and head over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom. So your customers can easily get in touch with you, get some engagement going, see what you're up to. Let's move along and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your business name at the top and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Great, my logo has now been uploaded. However, I would like to crop it ever so slightly so it fits into the section at the top a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and select the pencil and crop it slightly. I can as well decorate it, add frames. I can filter it to rotate, zoom in, flip it horizontally, etc. Awesome. Let's re-upload that slightly cropped. Excellent. Let's click on save. We can make it bigger and smaller by clicking on the buttons, but that sizing is perfect now, so it fits really well, so I'm going to move along. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your small business. Perhaps these colors don't go with your business cards, your signage, your logo and you want to change it, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to scroll right to the end. That actually looks really awesome. It really stands out well. Let me try one or two more, but I'm pretty spoiled for choice here. Think I'm actually going to go ahead and select that green. It's pretty awesome and really gets my message across. Let's move along and head over to update section over here and update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can play around with the terms a little bit. You could just search for beverage or soda or something along those lines. But these images are actually really awesome. I love them. Great advertisement. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Let's check it out. That looks awesome. Let's move on and head over to update contents. Now over here we can change our title and subtitle, the contents over here to suit our needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch, but I'm going to leave it as that and go ahead to choose link. Now we can link to another website if need be, another part of our multi-site website, or an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as click to email. You can as well upload a PDF file, so that's a great option to put your catalog in PDF format or your current promotions or deals you're offering, maybe wholesale information there as well. Over here, pre-written content as well, button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your business, how it came to be, how long you've been in the industry. Do you supply restaurants, bars, cafes, grocery stores? Do you source your products from reputable brands and suppliers? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Do you offer perhaps competitive pricing in the community? Put as much information over there as possible so your customers know your background, your story, how your business came to be. We've now made our way into the services section. Here you can put a little bit more details of the different services or the products you stock. Do you have Mountain Dew, 7 Up, Pepsi, Coke, bottled water perhaps? Do you stock beers or supply beers? Go ahead and put all the details over here of all the products that you can supply. We've now made our way into the lead form, that contact form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Over here, all they need to do is put in their name, their email address, phone number, message, click on send. You will get notified via your registered email accounts, the email you use for your multi-site account, that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site, your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling to link it, we do have a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide, as well as a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head on over to our blog. You'll also find fantastic tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Do check it out. As a small business owner, so much valuable information here in these blog posts. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain, because you can now purchase your domain by the Mighty Sites platform. I'm now in my Mighty dashboard. Over here is where I can find the leads from that form I've just shown you. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget, the service is going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services.